Simple setup. To set up the Smarter Coffee machine, tap on the plus sign in the center of the dial, select Smarter Coffee, select Set up Home Network. Plug in your Smarter Coffee and tap Next. Make sure you are connected to your home network and tap Next. Go into your phone Wi-Fi settings and select the Smarter Coffee network. Go back to the app and press Next. Wait for the Wi-Fi symbol to appear. After it has appeared, tap Next. Choose your home network and enter your password. The app will now connect to your coffee machine. Once you see the control panel, it means you have connected and you can start brewing.